Chatbots write words. Physical AI moves metal, and the money just woke up. Physical AI is simple. It is artificial intelligence that senses the real world, then acts in it with a body.
Digital AI can regenerate a bad answer. Physical AI cannot undrop an egg. Gravity does not do retries. And every robot body is different. A policy trained on one arm does not magically work on a biped. That is the embodiment gap. Under the hood, the stack looks like this. Perception sees, reasoning plans, action sends motor commands many times a second.
The HUD architecture is vision, language, action. Cameras and words go in. Joint commands come out. Not another essay.
NVIDIA's GR00T stack even splits the brain. One system thinks slowly. Another system moves fast, over 100 times a second.
Teams train in simulation first, scramble the physics, then transfer to real hardware. That is sim to real.
Boston Dynamics even used that playbook to move a fridge weighing over 100 pounds. Whole body, not just arms.
Goldman Sachs now sees a $38 billion humanoid market by 2035, with about 1.4 million units a year. In 2025, Chinese vendors shipped roughly 80% of global humanoids. But volume leaders are not always capability leaders. Picture 4 racing lanes: Figure and Boston Dynamics for capability, China for volume, Tesla for scale drama, NVIDIA for the platform.
Figure sits near a $39 billion valuation. Its BotQ factory claims it can build one Figure 03 every hour. The boring bottleneck is actuators. Motors, reducers, and drivers can eat 30 to 40% of the bill of materials.
Broker notes often name Chinese suppliers like Sanhua and Tuopu for Optimus parts. That is reported consensus, not a Tesla filing. On public markets, people watch NVIDIA, Tesla, Uptech, and Sanhua, plus private brains like physical intelligence at $5.6 billion. Tesla talks huge Optimus timelines. Treat the claims as aspirational, watch the evidence, and skip fake pre-order websites.
Remember 3 rules. Volume is not capability. Actuators are the choke point. And the platform layer may outlast any single robot brand. Quick reminder. This video is not investment advice. Valuations and timelines change fast. Always do your own research.
If this helped at Click, hit like and subscribe, and drop your hottest robot take in the comments.